50% off linen, 75% off Christmas. Oh, it's on. The sale is on up in here. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. I love decorating, DIYing, and honey, I love to shop. And whether it's thrifting or retail, I am here for it. So if you enjoy that type of content, honey, you have landed on the right channel. Welcome to the Amethyst Adventure. Come on and let's do this little shop with me session, and I'm going to tell you all about this collaboration in just a little bit. The days are getting a little shorter and the nights a little cooler. And that can only mean that fall is fast approaching. So the Home Decor LUXE Club is back with our Vlogust collab to welcome in the season with some fall inspiration. We're here to help you prepare for the fall season with cooking, home decorating, tablescapes, shopping, fall entertainment, tips and tricks for all of your fall needs. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So make sure you stop by the playlist and show my sisters some love because honey, they are giving it to you this fall. So make sure you tune in every Saturday at 6 p.m. this month as the Home Decor LUXE Club presents our Bling on the Fall series. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I show you some great fall decor for your table, for your home, for all your fall needs. And make sure you watch all the way till the end so you can see what I hauled.
Daniel, we were just thinking about you. We just found this piece here, Hello Pretty, for $3.99.
Super cute.
And it's Ray done.
Ray done. So what I'm really trying to do today is pick up pieces that really speak to a fall or holiday aesthetic, and you could easily incorporate into your tablescapes or into your decor in your home. Anna from The Grace Life and myself, we've also began doing little in-store vignettes, just putting together items in a store and setting up a cute little vignette within the store. So I'm going to show you that next, and at the end, I'm going to show you a collective haul from both Goodwill and the Salvation Army. So stay tuned for that. If you like today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much to my YouTube sisters of the Home Decor Luxe Club. Let me share with you what I hauled. These beautiful curtain rods were $2.99 each. And I thought I might use them for my bedroom, but we'll see. I have this beautiful, gorgeous bunch of fall florals, and there's like 4 or 5 bunches in there, and it came with a little holder. Hope you can make that price out. That was $4.99. And look at these luscious fall florals, just beautiful. So even if I was to buy each bunch, I don't think I could have beat $4.99 for the whole thing and the container, which the container is not bad. I may paint it, or I may use the florals in another vessel. It has the little butterfly on the front. And that is beautiful. Look at that. All right, moving on. Next, I picked up these Christmas dishes, and those 2 items I got from Salvation. So this is a collective haul. Some I got from Goodwill, some I got from Salvation. So next, this was an incomplete set, but I really loved that pattern. I thought it was beautiful. So there was only 1 saucer and then 2 of the plates. 99 cents on the plates and then 49 cents on the little saucer. Okay, moving on. This item is from Salvation. $9.99. The box was matched, priced, and you can see it's a complete set of 4 plates, 4 dessert plates, 4 saucers. Ooh, now I'm gonna break them. And then the 4 Christmas teacups. So I thought that was adorable. $9.99, and then 75% off all Christmas items. And that was at Salvation. So I thought that was a very good buy. And I'll put it up on the screen what the exact price was. $1.99 and 50% off that. So I got those for $1. These napkin rings, which I thought would be really nice for fall, the price on these was $1.99, no percent off, and these were from Goodwill. From Salvation, I also picked up this, it's like a little scarf, I believe. $3.99 was the price, and I had picked up some reindeer, and I repainted those, and I didn't like the little burgundy scarf that was on them, so I thought this would be perfect to put on my reindeer. Okay, moving on. From Goodwill, $2.99 as well. I picked up these beautiful bumblebee placemats, and it's a set of 4, so that was not bad at all. Next, from Goodwill as well, I picked up these purple napkins. They were $1.50 for a set of 4. Also from Goodwill, these fall napkins, and they have like a leaf. I don't know if you can make that out, an embossed leaf pattern. They were $3.99 for the set of 4. And then from Salvation as well, this tablecloth was $2.99. Look at that, beautiful yellow color, brand new tablecloth. And that is beautiful, so I love that. So that was $2.99 at Salvation. Let's move on. From Goodwill, this 27-inch natural tree collar, $4.99. And of course, your girl is nosy. So I had to pull back, well, I did before, but the price, I can't get it off now, but the original price on this was $24.99. Brand new, still in the original packaging for Christmas. How gorgeous is that? And I think I'm gonna go with this in my family room because I use a lot of wood tones and natural wood in my family room, and I think this is gonna be beautiful with my family room tree. From Goodwill as well, I hope you can make this out. This gorgeosity right here, honey. Yes! You will never believe this was $4.99. And let me flip it over and show you the price tag. $4.99. And I swear, it looks brand spanking new. Now, I could change the color in some way, but I love this brown tone on it. And I think I'm gonna use it just the way it is. I picked up this pack of Christmas lights for $1.99. They have the timer on it. And you know purple is my signature color, so I could not leave those behind. Also at Goodwill, I got a bunch of Christmas picks, all for $1.99. These may or may not be brand new, I can't tell, but these, you can see that, $1.99, brand new, still in the original packaging with the store price tag on them from Kirkland's, $6.99 each. Wish they had more. They only had 2, so I got the 2 that they had. Just beautiful. And I think that is going to be lovely for Christmas. Next, also from Goodwill, I have some more of those picks. And I wasn't sure if the first set was new, but these are definitely new. Still in the original packaging for $1.99. So here we go with those. So I got all of the colors they had. One was like a silver tone. That is this one. Price tag came off. Those were $1.99. Then I got kind of a different silver. I'm not even sure what you would call that. But if you look at them together, this one is a little bit darker or not as shiny as the first one. And then these are definitely gold. And they came with some sticks in them as well, all packaged up for $1.99. And to tell you the truth, this one looks like it has twice as many as the first one. So there we are. That is the Thrift Collective Haul. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this thrift trip gives you inspiration and lets you see that you can pick up some fantastic items at the thrift store that you can use in your decor for a very cheap price. So thank you so much for watching once again, and until next time.